So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can throw knees on this style of bag. It's a smaller bag. So you can see that I pivot and swing in the knee. You can also push the bag and push into some straight knees, and pull the bag and pull into swinging knees. You can also do a clinch style hold, and then do straight knees, pivot knees, while in that clinch style hold. So this is generally how I would use a smaller bag that you would find in the gym. This is how I would use it. I would use the knees for pushing the knees, pulling the knees in, pivoting and throwing knees, holding in a clinch style hold, throwing knees. This is actually a great bag to use. As it was smaller and lighter, you could actually practice pulling the bag, pushing the bag, so it's very different from using a heavy bag.